Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you?
Good. A little bit.
What happened?
I have like allergy, pollen allergy, or like it's I think so now it's like I also have like dust allergy.
Hmm.
So like when I drink juices, like it triggers a lot.
May Allah Ta'ala bless you with great health. I mean,
Um,
okay. Yes. Now we have to discuss about the proteins. They have written that the proteins are the body's tiny robots. Can you figure this out, this sentence? What does it mean? Think about the functions of the proteins, right? And then think about this line. What are the functions?
Function of proteins.
Mm,
Like there are like
mm,
molecules that perform like a wide range of functions.
mm.
Like it protects the immune system,
Yes, in the form of antibodies, right?
antibodies,
Hmm.
and uh gives you muscles
Yeah.
growth.
Repairment of muscles.
growth. Yes.
Okay. And
And like on like there are more, but like skin protection,
yes. And
skin protection, and
our tone, our skin tone, it is also based on the protein. You know about this? There is a protein.
one
This is known as melanin protein. You know about this?
no.
Okay. Actually, this protein gives your skin a specific tone, like the color. Like we say, some people are very dark, dark brownish. Their skin is dark brownish. So this is a natural
Yes.
pigment, and it is made up of the cells known as uh, melanocytes.
Okay.
It basically determines the our skin color, our hair color, our eye color. Every type of color is based on this. And you know that the melanin production increases when you are in front of UV light, the sunlight. So that's why we
Okay.
say when someone is in the sunlight, we say that your color will become dull because this in the sunlight there are UV rays. These UV rays increase the production of melanin. Okay, and when melanin production is increased, the skin color become more dull. Are you getting this? That why we
Yes.
people are more brownish? Why have you seen the people of the South Africa? They are very blackish people.
Yes.
Yeah, because there are the temperature there is very extreme, and there is sunlight. They face the sunlight all over the day, and that's why their skin tone is like that.
Yes.
And if you see the people who are living in the area where there are winters throughout the year, they are whitish. Their skin is whitish because
Yes.
they have less exposure to the sunlight.
Yes.
But this melanin protein is very much important for our skin because otherwise those people who are much more whitish in color, they have some skin related problems as well because it can cause less amount of melanin can cause skin some type of skin cancer as well. So that's why it is always good for us.
Okay.
Yeah, it is around yellow to reddish color pigment found in the skin tone, and the hair colors are different. Some people have black color, some have red hairs, some have brown. It
Yes.
all depend on the concentration of melanin in their body. Okay, how much melanin is present in their body.
Okay.
Okay, Sometimes the which I am saying that there are people of the South Africa, they have excess exposure to the sunlight. So in them we say that
Okay.
there is hyperpigmentation in them. Okay.
On tomorrow.
Sorry, are you saying something?
I know, Miss Ross.
Okay. I'm saying the people of the South Africa, sometimes we say that they have hyperpigmentation. Because why?
Yes.
Hyper means because they have excessive exposure of the sunlight. That's why.
Oh, okay.
And the people
Okay.
who live where there are you see, where there is less exposure of sunlight, or there are winters throughout the year, they have the albinism. You know albinos, albinism.
What is okay?
Their skin is white, albinism. You know that?
Yes.
Yeah.
The
I can
any
I can show you this
okay.
hyperpigmentation patient versus albinism. Yeah, this one. This is albinism. You see, this is not, we don't say this is white color. This is,
Oh,
they are albinos. So this is why, because they have hypopigmentation. Okay, melanin is very
oh,
less in
okay.
their body. Okay, you,
Okay.
yeah. My father also have this in his hands,
Just
somewhere in
second.
the
Oh,
hands.
okay.
So
Just
this is,
just
sometimes
second.
some people have in the, you see, it is in their genetics.
Realized was terribly wrong. The plane's front landing gear had
What
Okay.
twisted into the wrong position, and attempting
are
to
you
land
doing something? Yeah, like this. My father's hand are like this,
Oh, okay.
and this is melanism, like the hyperpigmentation. Okay, when melanin is
Okay.
beyond the normal amount, when the concentration of melanin is beyond
Okay.
our body's concentration. Okay, so this happens.
Okay.
You get this? It,
Yes.
yeah, it all depends on the melanin concentration. You see, they have mentioned that hyperpigmentation and albinism are opposite skin conditions defined by
Okay.
melanin production. Okay, and that's why
Okay.
proteins are important, because they give us the skin tone, a natural skin tone, right?
Okay.
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 Yeah, skin protection, as well as what else you were telling me?
The skin protection
And skin color. Now we
by
can
the
say, right, the skin tone.
melanin, skin tone
Mm,
melanin.
yeah, by the melanin. Melanin is a protein. So this,
Okay.
okay, skin tone, your hair colors, your eye color, it all depend on melanin. Okay.
Melanin.
Yeah. What
Okay.
else? What else we have studied about the proteins?
And like proteins, muscle growth.
Yeah, this is repairment
Oh yeah.
and
Okay.
growth. Okay. What else? The natural growth, our body's growth depend on the proteins as well, right? The natural growth,
Yeah.
as well as what else we have studied.
I only know this much.
Mhm.
What we studied.
There are proteins in our nails, right? In our nails, in our hairs. This is the protein which we are talking
Yes.
about, the hair color and okay.
I.
So if you
Okay.
see all these functions, now can you tell me about the statement? Is this statement correct? That proteins are the body's tiny robots. Hmm? They are saying proteins are tiny robots. How they are tiny robots?
1 minute, miss.
Hmm.
Yes,
How?
because like it's like referred to like machines or biological micro robots like in it like the proteins.
You see, if you see these all functions
Mm,
are happening in our body at different places, right? So
yes.
aren't they working like robots, like the robots do? If you have a specific robot
Yes.
for some work, that
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly. So now can you explain me this, that how the proteins are bodies tiny robots? Like if we talk about the antibodies, so we can consider it a robot, right? One robot
Yes.
which is performing the function of antibodies. So it will protect our body, right? Second robot
Yes.
is working to repair and it helps to grow our muscles, right? So this robot is particularly for repairment and growth, right? Then third
Okay.
robot is for skin protection. Fourth robot gives our skin a specific tone. Then fifth robot
Yes.
is for natural growth. Okay. So these all function, there are different function of proteins in our body. And
Okay.
that's why we have mentioned here that the proteins are the body's tiny robots. Okay.
Okay.
You get this?
Yes.
Isn't it interesting? Like what the proteins
Yes.
have. Yeah. Okay. Now they have mentioned like we have, what is this number? Mhm. What is this number?
2 million.
Okay, 2 million. So what they are telling us that there are 2 million proteins in our body working right now. Can you imagine this? 2 million proteins are there. Not only one protein. We have many different kinds of proteins in our body. Okay. That's why we say that proteins are much more important, as well as our most of the structures are made up of proteins. That's why proteins
Okay.
are very much
Yes.
important. So
Yes.
2 million proteins are there in our body. 2 million proteins. And they
Yes.
all are functioning. They all are on their work. They are not on any coffee break or any break. They don't get any breaks. Our body, even if we are sleeping, our body functions are our body is performing some specific functions. Like if we are sleeping, so we are breathing at the same time, and we sometimes saw dreams, like different type of dreams. So our brain is also working, and we turn our side, like from left side to the right side, or from right side to the left side on the bed. So these all functions are performing in our body even when we are sleeping. So that's why they have mentioned that there are approximately 2 million proteins present in our body, and they all are performing their function. None of them is on a coffee break. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to drink water or something, you can take. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Take that and let me know.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what we have studied so far about the proteins?
About their
Yeah, about their function.
functions.
Yes. And they act like the tiny robots, and there are approximately 2 million
Yes.
proteins in our body, right? And all those 2 million
two
proteins
million
are,
proteins in our body.
yeah,
Yeah.
and all those proteins are active. They are actively working in our body. They are not on any breaks. Okay. Now, imagine like your body, like we are going to imagine this, that our body is like a city. And what is the function of DNA? We have discussed it. What is the function of DNA? Hmm? You remember?
What is the function of DNA?
Hmm.
DNA?
Yes.
Uh, I remember it a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Why you look like
like it's the main
you're afraid?
function to store genetic information.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know.
It is, yes.
Yes.
It genetics as well as DNA controls most of the functions in your body. Okay.
The inherited traits also
Yeah.
from one
In
generation to
Yeah,
another.
that is in genetics. Okay. That whole covers in genetics. The second function is your DNA control most of the reactions which are happening in your body. Okay. It's just like the blueprint. Your DNA is like a blueprint. Like, have you ever seen any movie, any crime where there is a crime scene and they say that the forensic
Yes.
investigators, they say that you should take the fingerprints, right?
Yes.
So DNA is just like that. It's a blueprint. But in our body, it acts like a blueprint. But all other things are what? Proteins. I am trying to say that if DNA is controlling your nucleus, the all
Yes.
other functions will be performed by proteins. Okay. Your
Okay.
proteins will give, we have discussed that enzymes are proteins, right?
Yes.
Enzymes. And what is the function of enzymes?
Function of enzyme.
Hmm. What function they perform in our body?
The function of enzyme like they act like a biological catalysts.
Yes.
Accelerate like in process of like
Hmm.
digestion.
Yeah, they speed up the chemical reaction, not only digestion, any type of
They
reaction
also
which
speed
is,
up the chemical reactions, yeah,
yeah.
in our
Hmm.
organism, in living organisms. So,
Yeah, yeah. Like for example, I gave you example, like if you take a bread and you eat it, but there is no enzyme to digest that bread, what will happen?
like I will not able to be digesting food.
Yeah, it will take like many days to digest
Yes,
that bread. It will digest. We can't say that it will not digest, but we can say that digestion process will be slow without enzymes. Okay, and it is very slow without enzymes. That's why Allah Subhanahu wa Taala has created enzymes in our body. They speed up the chemical reaction. Whatever the chemical reaction is happening, even if we are respiring, we are breathing, our brain is functioning, all type of reactions which are happening in our body, they are done by the help of enzymes. Okay, enzymes speed up them, and enzymes are proteins. So that's why we say everything which is happening in our body is based on proteins. Okay, just
yes,
like you see what they have mentioned, that consider your body like a city. Okay, DNA is
mm,
like architect's blueprint, and
yes,
everything else will be protein. Okay, everything else,
okay,
what else can be in the city? There will be uh construction workers, there will be delivery trucks if you are going to construct something, right? So there will be construction workers, there will be delivery trucks, there will be security guards, factory machines, traffic police. All these things which are present in a city, these are they are saying that these are like proteins. So what can we say? That there are different things which are happening in our body, and all those things are happening with the help of proteins. Are you getting my point? Basically,
yeah,
DNA controls our cell. It is present in the nucleus. DNA gives the command, but the functions are performed by the proteins. Okay, like there is a head. He gives the command, and then
yes,
all other workers will do that function. So that head is like DNA, and all the workers who are performing that function will be acting like a protein. Similarly, in our body, there is DNA. The DNA will give command that where there is protein needed. Okay, it's all controlled by the DNA. Like if you are doing a muscular activity, so where should be more proteins?
yes.
If you are doing a muscular activity,
If I'm doing a muscular activity,
yes.
like in our like body
So in which
in
part
gym,
of your body you need more proteins when you are doing a muscular activity?
muscles,
Yeah. So your DNA will give command to the proteins, okay, that go towards the muscles and build the muscles. Okay, are you getting
Okay.
this?
Yes.
Similarly, if we get something, if we eat something, so for digestion of that food, we need enzymes, right? So your DNA will give command to the particular enzyme, to the particular protein to go to the stomach and digest that food. Okay.
Yes.
So this is what I am telling you, that DNA is the main, like the architect's blueprint. It is the main thing which gives the command. Everything else which will happen in our body will be done by proteins. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Like for example, they have given like the builder. What are the builders in our body? Which build our body? Like the keratin protein. Keratin is present in our hair and nails. Our hair grow, our nails grow. There is collagen protein in our skin. Okay. So these two proteins, they are like builders. They build our body structures. Are you getting this?
Yes.
What are the two proteins which are functioning as builder proteins in our body?
Collagen and keratin.
Yeah, keratin and collagen.
Collagen.
Why we are saying them as builder proteins?
The builder protein because they help in the muscular activities
No, no. You see here what they have mentioned. The keratin will help in hair and nails, growth of hairs and nails.
and else.
And hair is a structure of our body, right? Nails is also a
Yes.
structure of our body. Skin is also a
Yes.
structure of our body. So they are helping to build our structures, to build the body structures. That's why they are known as builders.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Like if someone asks you what about your hairs? What are these? So you will say that this is a structure of my body. This is a part of my body. Nails are part of your body. Skin is a part of your body. So these structures are built by keratin and collagen proteins, right?
Yes.
And some proteins function like delivery. Like what is the function of a delivery company? What they do? Hmm?
Like the delivery companies
Yes.
like DHL
What? Yeah, any
delivery
company, DHL or any company.
they just like take items from one place to another.
Yeah, they pick up the parcel from one place and they give that parcel where it is needed. Like if you have ordered something, so they will give you parcel. They will not give the parcel to your neighbors. Okay, that's your parcel.
Yes.
So similar is the
Yes.
case. There is a protein that is known as hemoglobin. Okay, you know about hemoglobin?
Hemoglobin.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
It's like the what can I say? I don't know, like hemoglobin that much.
In terms of oxygen,
Yes. Okay.
anything you know about hemoglobin? Hmm?
Huh? Your voice break.
I'm saying hemoglobin basically it is a protein.
Yes.
This is a protein which helps
Yes.
to carry
Like
oxygen.
it's like
Okay, it carries oxygen.
okay.
It carries oxygen from the lungs to your body
From the
parts.
lungs
Okay,
to
yeah,
your body.
yeah.
Yes.
So this is it. It is acting like a delivery uh company, like the delivery system.
Okay.
Because it is
Yes.
it is receiving the oxygen from the lungs and it is giving the oxygen to the body parts, right?
Yes.
So that's why we can
Okay.
say it Uber for oxygen. Like Uber, that is a delivery company. We sometimes,
Yes.
yeah. So Uber or TCS or anything, Yango, there are many. So it is like that. Hemoglobin, we can say that it is Uber for oxygen. Why we are saying this? Because it is delivering oxygen. It
Okay.
carries
It
oxygen
carries
from
the oxygen from
lungs.
our lungs to our
Basically,
body.
yes, lungs to our body. where it is needed. Like sometimes, oxygen is more needed to the legs when there is respiration happening, cellular respiration happening in the legs when you are running. Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes more oxygen is needed to the brain. Okay. So it depends where it is needed. Sometimes the parcel, uh, some customers, they need parcel at they are in a hurry and they say that we need parcel within 24 hours. And some
Yes.
people say that it's okay if you deliver the parcel in 3 or 4 days. So similar is the case
Yes.
in our body. It depends on the need of your body. If your body need, if some let's say I am writing with my hands, so in my hands I need energy, I need ATPs. Okay, remember the reaction we did, that was that C6H12O6. This is glucose plus oxygen. You see, oxygen will break it. Oxygen will break
Yes.
this carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. So this reaction is happening in my hands, okay? Because I need energy, I need ATPs. So for this reaction, oxygen is needed, right? So that's why hemoglobin. What will hemoglobin do? It will take oxygen from the lungs, okay, and then deliver it to your hands. Are you getting this?
Yes.
And in the hands there will be glucose. That
Then
glucose,
glucose and
yeah. And what will happen then?
like it's like
Hmm. The breakdown of glucose.
like
Hmm.
breakdown of glucose.
Yeah, oxygen. Why oxygen is needed? To break the glucose, okay? Because I told you glucose
Okay.
cannot give you direct energy, right? We need to convert it. We need to break it. If we need ATPs, we need to break it. So what our body do? Our body break it with the help of oxygen, right? So that's why, if like wherever you need energy, like I am saying, I am moving my hands, I am speaking. So I am moving my hands, I am writing. My hands needs ATP, right? So what will happen? What the hemoglobin will do if my hands need ATPs?
What will happen if my hands need
Hmm.
hemoglobin?
No, ATPs.
Like
Hemoglobin is not needed. Hemoglobin is just, you can say, it carries the oxygen.
ATP is like
Hmm.
energy
How we get energy?
from carbohydrates, instant
Yeah.
energy.
Yeah, so this is a carbohydrate, C6H12O6. This is glucose, right?
Yes.
How this glucose will give us energy?
How this glucose will give us energy?
Hmm.
Because it's a carbohydrate.
Like how the I am asking for the process. Like uh if you have a protein shake, there is a protein shake in the jar. How that protein shake will give your energy, give your body the proteins?
Uh, it because it's energy.
How?
It's
How? I am not asking what. Basically, you will dissolve that in milk or in water,
yeah.
right? And then you will drink it.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
in the jar, in
It's the
that
primary
jar,
source of energy for the body.
yeah, that is a primary source, but I am saying you need to do something on this glucose. Glucose cannot
Yes.
directly give you energy, just like the protein in the jar. The protein in a jar cannot give you proteins unless you take it, unless you drink it. Okay, the protein shake.
Yes. Yes.
Similarly, if there is glucose, this glucose
By
cannot.
through cellular respiration.
Yes, yes, exactly. By cellular respiration, there will be breakdown of this glucose. Okay, this
Yes.
glucose will be broken down with the help of oxygen. Okay, oxygen is needed to
Okay.
break it down, right?
Okay. Yes.
So when oxygen will break it, what our body will release? What will be released in our body? Carbon dioxide, right? When our body breaks the glucose, what is released?
What is the release?
Like
When the
when when something is, when you break something, what
yes,
releases from that?
carbon.
Its components. Like if you have something, if you have a wooden piece and you break it, so what you will get? Small wooden
Mm,
pieces, right?
yes.
Similarly, if we break glucose, what we will get? We will get its components from which
Okay.
from which the glucose was made. You remember how plants
Okay.
make glucose? They make
How
glucose
plants make glucose?
yeah, photosynthesis. How they make glucose?
Yeah, by photosynthesis.
Yeah. So what they do? They take carbon dioxide, right?
Yes, type
They
of.
take water,
They take water and sunlight
sunlight, and
and natural
in the presence of
resources,
chlorophyll, right? In the presence
chlorophyll,
of chlorophyll,
and then they make their food during the
glucose,
process
right,
photosynthesis.
and oxygen, right? This is the reaction of photosynthesis. So basically, you need what you are doing. You are adding carbon dioxide and water. Okay, the plants are there is a reaction between carbon dioxide and water in the plants, right? By combining the carbon dioxide and water, what they are getting?
By combining the carbohydrates
Carbon dioxide and water. What they are getting? The plants,
as the
glucose.
carbohydrates and glu
Yeah. By combining these two, what they are getting?
glucose.
Glucose, right? So if we want
Yes.
to break this glucose, what will be released? If you break this glucose, what should be released? Hmm? If you break it,
If I break it,
the glucose. So what should be
the
released?
uh hydrogen,
Water and carbon dioxide. You know the
carbon dioxide.
just like this is a same example. Like if you have, for example, what can we say? Like there is a wooden table, okay, and you break it. So if you will break it, you will get small wooden pieces, right?
Yes,
Why you will get small wooden pieces? Because this wooden table was made up of these wooden pieces, right?
yes,
So if you have something and this thing was made from two components, right? Carbon dioxide and water. This is made. And now
yes,
you are breaking, then what will you get? Definitely you will get this again, isn't it?
yes.
I think you are not getting this. Hmm?
I just can't understand this thing.
You understand this one? Wooden table and wooden pieces. Like I am saying,
I
you
understand.
get those, like there is a wall, okay, there is a wall made up of bricks and
Yes,
cement, okay. If
yes.
you break it, what will you get?
If I break it, what will I get?
Hmm.
Tiny pieces of wood
No, this is a wall made up of bricks and cement.
and like tiny pieces of bricks.
Yeah, you will get bricks. Why you will get bricks?
Yes,
Why you are not getting gold or silver?
because the make wall is made by a brick.
Yeah, this is what I am saying. This glucose is made by what? By combining,
Glucose is made of what?
by
Carbon
combining carbon dioxide
dioxide
and
and
water.
water.
Yeah, yes. So if I break glucose, what will I get?
Yes, carbon dioxide and water.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like if you can't get anything else.
Okay.
We will only get that thing from which this thing you have made. Okay, you can only get that thing. Just like the wall. Okay, just like this. This wall is made up of cement. So just wait for a minute. I have to connect.
Hi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sorry, there is again electricity issue. I don't know why it happens when I take your class. It every time I am taking a bit earlier so that there is no issue with electricity. It happens all the day. What can I do? Okay, yeah. You get this example
Yes,
about the
yes,
bricks and wall. So similar is the case here that
yes.
if we break the glucose, what will we get? Hmm?
Miss, your voice is breaking. Can you
Sorry.
repeat it again?
I'm
No, it's okay.
saying
It's okay.
if we break glucose, then what will
Okay.
we get?
If you break glucose, what happen?
What will we get? What components will we get?
Components will be great. If you break,
Hmm.
if you
Hmm.
break,
Hmm.
uh, it does break. We will get break, but in tiny.
You will get carbon dioxide and water, right? Because the glucose was made by carbon
Yes.
dioxide and water, as well as you will get energy.
Carbon dioxide in water.
Yes. So this is the
Okay.
reaction. This is the reaction of the breakdown of glucose. You get this? That if you want to break
Yes.
the glucose, you will break it with the help of oxygen, first thing. And what we will get? We will get carbon dioxide, water, and ATPs. Okay? We will get carbon dioxide, water, and ATPs.
Carbon dioxide and water.
Yes.
Yes.
So for this reaction, if you want to break glucose, oxygen is needed. Okay? Oxygen is needed. My question is that how your cell will get oxygen? Read from here. We were discussing the proteins.
The proteins.
Which protein will carry oxygen to your hands?
Which protein will carry
Oxygen to your hands.
hemoglobin?
Yes. So in my hands, I need energy, right? I need energy. So in my hand, this reaction will happen. Okay. For this reaction, what is needed?
Okay.
Oxygen and glucose. Glucose is already
Yes.
present here, okay, in the blood. So oxygen should be carried here. So from the lungs, oxygen will be carried to my hand by the help of hemoglobin. Okay. So this is a third
Hemoglobin.
protein.
Yes.
This is a third protein which we have discussed. Uh, so you see there are different functional proteins. Some are building our systems. Some are helping to deliver. Okay, they are helping like the delivery. And the fourth
Okay.
one you already know, the defense system. How the protein will help to give us the defense system.
How will protein will help us in the defense system?
Hmm. Defense means
Uh,
what is defense? Self defense, you know?
self-defense. Yes.
Yeah.
I know that.
In the form of
In the form of
antibodies,
like antibodies.
isn't it?
Yes.
What is the function of antibodies?
The function of antibodies.
Hmm.
Like it protects you from
Yeah, yeah. If there is an agent, there is a foreign agent. You remember I told you
yes.
a foreign invader. So the antibodies will
Yes.
attack. They will attack on foreign
Like they
invaders.
will attack on the like immune system.
No, no. In antibodies, if antibodies will attack on immune system, then you will be
Uh,
ill. They
yes.
will attack on foreign
I know.
invaders. These foreign invaders attack on our body. Okay, these are like
Yes, I remember
fungi
it now. You said.
or yeah, fungi or bacteria, any other thing, anything. So these
Okay.
antibodies, what they do? Antibodies,
What did they do?
hmm, they will attack on
They will attack on the what can we say?
these things. What are these? I have mentioned the name.
Fungi and
Bacteria,
foreign invaders.
yeah, any type of
Bacteria and
foreign
foreign
invader
invaders.
which will invade our body. Okay, which will attack on our body. So the
Okay.
antibodies
Uh,
will attack on them. Okay, the antibodies will
okay.
attack on them. So
Attack on
these
the
antibodies,
and on them.
yes, aren't these antibodies providing us defense against the foreign invaders? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why we say that these, the one of the important function of proteins is to defense our body. Okay. So how many functions we have discussed
Okay.
about the proteins till now?
Uh, uh, a
Hmm.
lot of them.